Everyone. I am Monica, working as an assistant professor in MBA department at BVC Institute of Engineering and Technology. Today we are going to discuss about objectives and goals of financial management. Goals and objectives of financial management is classified into 12 modes. First one, profit maximization. Second one, wealth maximization. Third one, proper estimation of funds. Fourth one, proper mobilization. Fifth one, proper utilization of finance. Sixth one, proper cash flow. Seventh one, creating reserves. Eighth, proper coordination. Ninth, increasing efficiency. 10th one, financial discipline. 11th, reduce cost of capital. And 12th, prepare capital structure. While coming to the first objective, profit maximization. Profit maximization is the main aim of every business, and it is also objective of financial management. Profit maximization refers to the maximization or increase TP income of the team, while which means to earn more profits by using minimum inputs. Under this approach, all the decisions in financial management, whether investment, financial, and dividend decisions, are focused to maximize or increase profits in the organization. Coming to the second objective, wealth maximization. The goal of financial management may be such that they should be beneficial to owners, management, employees, and customers. Those goals may be achieved only by maximizing the value of the organization. The main aim of wealth maximization is to increase company share value in the market. Share value means value enjoyed by a shareholder by having shares in the market. The company divided the required capital into shares. Coming to the third objective, proper estimation of financial requirements. Proper estimation of financial requirements is very important objective of financial management. The financial manager must estimate the total financial requirements of the company. He must find out how much finance is required to start and run the business. He must find out fixed capital requirements and working capital requirements of the organization. Coming to the fourth objective, proper mobilization. Mobilization of finance is an important objective of financial management. After estimating the financial requirements, the financial manager must decide about the source of finance. He can collect finance from many sources such as shares, debentures, bank loans, etc. There must be a proper balance between owned finance and borrowed finance. The company must borrow money at low rate of interest. Coming to the next objective, proper utilization of finance. Proper utilization of finance is an important objective of financial management. The financial manager must make optimum utilization of finance. He must use the finance profitable. He must not waste the finance of the company. He must not invest the company's finance in unprofitable projects. Coming to the next objective, maintaining proper cash flow. Maintaining proper cash flow is a short term objective of financial management. The company must have a proper cash flow to pay day to day expenses such as purchase of raw materials, payment of wages and salaries, rent, electricity bill. Next one, creating reserves. Creating reserves, one of the objective of financial management is to create reserves. The company must not distribute the full profits as a dividend to the shareholders. It must keep a part of it profit as reserves. Reserves can be used for future growth and expansion. Next one, proper coordination. Financial management must try to have proper coordination between the finance and other departments of the company while effective organizational functions. Increasing efficiency. Financial management also tries to increase the efficiency of all departments of the organization. Proper distribution of finance to all the departments will increase the efficiency of the entire company. Next one, financial discipline. To invest finance only in productive areas, which means to invest money in profitable projects only, and to avoid wastage and misuse of finance. Coming to the next one, reduce cost of capital. Financial management tries to reduce the cost of capital. That is, it tries to borrow money at low rate of interest. And finally, preparing capital structure. Financial management also prepares the capital structure. It decides the ratio between owned finance and borrowed finance.